Been doing it on edopro. Back with another single duel. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Dude! This is like take 4. Dueling Nexus ranked match. I kept lagging out. Lagged out once, lagged out twice, then my opponent lagged out. Something like that. Hopefully this doesn't lag out. Normal summon, do a couple links. Almirage and Secure Gardner. Activate Invocation. Alistair. One Alistair, and one light monster for Invoked Mekaba. Invocation. Grave effect. Add the banished Alistair. Shuffle back Invocation. All set. Card. Tenendo. Damn it. Why, Eldritch? Why? Yeah, I'm gonna have to go for Nibiru. No. It's gonna set. I'm just going to Cosmic Cyclone that. Oh, I was not expecting Zombie World. Foolish. Oh, no way. What is that guy again? Is that monster? Yeah. Glow up. Bloom. Doom King. Doom King. Doom King. No. Banshee. What is he gonna go for? Verte? Oh wow. It's a zombie. If it was activated, Doom King can just banish. Right. That game? Perfect. Hold on. He's got me. Wow. Wow, that was a quick single duel. Brooklyn wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Wow. I just lost. Comment, share, like if you sub it if you liked it. See you guys.